Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video, I just want to unbox this IGNITO 3-arm 360 sector rotating water sprinkler. If you have garden or irrigation, whatever it may be, see this is the product I'm going to show you. This I purchased for 173 rupees. Along with this, I also purchased this Limetro stainless steel tri-ply kadai, means for like tatka pan you can say, and this is the garden scissors. Yes, there is a small garden for me. These garden tools are essential. That's the reason I purchased this for 200 rupees and this sprinkler for 170 rupees. If you want full unboxing and details of this, you can just find it in the description. I'll be keeping this aside, and also this is stainless steel with long handle. I'll be keeping this aside also. Now let us try to open this. Just open this. Yes, this is the plastic build one, very lightweight. I can say just for 170 rupees. I can understand this is reasonable, you can say, but at the end of the video I'll show you how it is working also. Okay, the build quality is weak only. Okay, that you need to remember. Maybe you need to install this like this. See, there is a thread screw here. Yeah, just install this like this. Maybe this cap I need to install. Yeah, just I want to show you how you can fit this. You can just screw it up. Okay, rotate this one. Okay, just here I'll be just tightening this up. Okay, this is fully tight now. I need to just connect the water pipe here. Let us check the output at the backside garden. Just here, connect the water pipe here. Okay. Yeah, just you can check the output. I just connected the water pipe and it is just sprinkling. Okay,